Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy recipe that my family likes, and I like it because it's quick and easy. One's going to be a cheese quesadilla and the other one's going to be a chicken quesadilla. First we're going to do the cheese one since that's the fastest, but we need to shred up our cheese. One of my favorites, the coarse cheese grater. I'm going to go ahead and put the food holder on and slide our piece of cheese in. Press down and then start to grate it. All right, we're gonna grab just the flat tortillas. I'm gonna show you them two different ways. So the cheese one's gonna be flat. And all we're gonna do is sprinkle the cheese on. I don't recommend going all the way to the edges because it does heat up and so then it melts. And if you put too much, then you have cheese all over your tray and possibly in your air fryer. Not fun to clean up. Trust me, I know.
And knowing is half the battle.
And then that is it for this one. Plain and simple, which is what my daughter likes. She likes it just simple. We're going to slide this one right down on the first shelf. And then the next one's going to be chicken. So I have leftover chicken from when I made a rotisserie in the air fryer the other day. This is about a half a cup, I think it is. Yep, a half a cup of chopped up, already cooked chicken. The recipe for making it in the air fryer and from the quick cooker, which is one of my favorite ways to do it, the links for those are going to be in the description. So just chop up your chicken, and it can be chicken from anything. Say you boiled some chicken and you had leftovers. Feel free to chop it up, throw it in. Say you bought a rotisserie at the grocery store, same thing, just chop it up. I've got just some regular salsa here. I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in, and then a little less than a teaspoon of taco seasoning. And that is all I use for my taco quesadillas. Pretty simple here in our house. What do you like in your quesadillas? I do, you know what? When I go out, I love to have barbecue chicken quesadillas. We have this restaurant we used to go to, and then they would put like a cilantro pesto on top. So good. I should try making those one day. All right, so there is our mixture all ready to go. We like it pretty simple in my house. Let me know what you like in your quesadillas. If there's something you've tried before that's really yummy, let me know in the comments and I'm gonna give it a try and I'll let you know what I think about it. The chicken ones are gonna be folded quesadillas. And I like to put the chicken mixture on first. I always find that seems to help the cheese to stick a lot better and keep my quesadilla from flying open in the air fryer. Oops. So we're going to put half on that side, half on this side. And on top with your cheese. Same thing goes with these ones. Try not to fill it all the way to the edge. You just don't end up with a big old mess. So I give them a little squish and then I flip them over. I always find since I put the chicken on first, it seems to help keep it from blowing open in the air fryer. Now we're going to slide this one on the second shelf. We're going to set air fry for 6 minutes and you let it go. So the air fryer beeps at the halfway point. So at 3 minutes it's going to beep letting me know, hey, I'm halfway through, I'm halfway done cooking. So I'm going to come over, I'm going to pause it, I'm going to show you all that, and we're going to take them out, flip them over, and stick them back in. Alright, so the air fryer is beeping to let me know it is halfway through the time cycle, so I'm going to go ahead and pause it. I'll start with the top one here. Slide it out. I'm going to give them a quick flip. And then flip our cheese. And now I'm going to switch levels. So I'm going to put the cheese on the top level and the chicken on the bottom. Close it back up. Start it back up again. So if you were just cooking one, you wouldn't have to change levels. I do at the halfway point still take it out and I flip it over. It just helps because your heating element's on the top. So anything pointed up towards it, that part's going to get crispier. So I find flipping it helps get both sides equally crispy. And that's another thing. So say you finish the time and it's just not crispy enough for you, hey, just stick it back in and add another minute. Still not crispy enough? Keep going. Just got one. Not from me. How long did I set it for? 6 minutes? Yeah. I gotta figure out a grilled cheese in here better. Last time I made one, it was too crispy. All right, so the air fryer is beeping to let us know it's all done. So we got our cheese and our chicken. Then all you have to do is take out your pizza cutter and cut them up. And you're ready to eat. How super quick was that? All right, guys. So if you like the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any more future videos. Talk to you next time. Bye. Burn my finger.